General Electric, Pratt & Whitney, Boeing, Lockheed Martin and Northrop Grumman were each awarded an approximately $975 million contract for the prototype phase of the next-generation fighter jet adaptive propulsion program. To date, only GE Aviation and Pratt & Whitney have developed the engine as part of the Adaptive Engine Transition Program, AETP, with the aim of eventually producing a replacement engine for the combined F-35 fighter.
10 years or so, we expect to achieve.
Tech Sergeant Xavier Ortiz, Luke Air Force Base, Arizona.
Future pilots could operate high thrust mode while in combat, for example, and switch to low fuel burn mode during patrol missions. And the transition will be smooth. Therefore, this adaptive cycle engine will increase the range, thrust and fuel efficiency of the F-35. Plans to replace the F-35's engines have been controversial from the start, with opponents calling these upgrades unnecessary and expensive, while others, such as Hollings, believe these new engines may even take too long to install on the F-35, but will most likely be important to the next generation of fighters. According to the USAF, this prototype engine project, from the design phase to the final weapon systems integration, is expected to be completed by July 2032.